You know, I bet it looks like I'm going on a play date because I've got all this stuff all over the counter. What I want to show you today is how you can multitask easily by cleaning things that you wouldn't normally think of in the dishwasher. So I'm going to show you what to put in and how to do it. So the first thing, let's talk about hats, because I know I've talked with you before about putting hats in the dishwasher, letting them wash, letting them dry. So let's start and we'll load in a couple of hats. Now, you're always going to load them in so that the brim is nice laying on something. And it's not going to ruin the brim, so don't worry about it. So we're going to get a couple of hats in there. Now, do you know you can put in children's toys? Let's do that. I've got this cute little truck here we can put up here. Now, little things need to go on the top rack or in the silverware container. And if you have an extra silverware container, put them in that. Travel toothbrush holder. In it goes. You know how scummy and miserable those get. Even my little ducky friend can go in. I think I'll just sit him on the top rack. Now, if you've got a lot of things like Legos, especially if the kids have been sick and you want to clean and sanitize, nothing better than using the dishwasher. So put them in a mesh bag, and you can either toss them in the bottom or in the top. Now, let's put the rest of these little toys in, and again, in the silverware basket. It's so easy. What about flowers? Do you have rubber flowers? These ones that are supposed to look real laying around the house. If you do and you want to clean them, stick them in. It's fine. It won't hurt anything. Same thing with these. Now, if you have real silk ones, don't do that. If you have these polyesters, go ahead. Put them in. It'll clean them up beautifully. Now, I bet you never thought you could put shoes in the dishwasher. Well, you know how your shoes get banged around in the washer and they come out sometimes bent, misshapen. You know what? Any kind of shoes like this, you can put in the dishwasher. And I just stick them down into the little holders that hold your plates. So just put them right in there like that, and they'll clean up great. How about your soap dishes? Oh, you know how miserable those are. If you take them out of the bathroom and they're all gooped up, put those in on the top rack. Toothbrush holder out of the bathroom. Yours may not look bad. The kids may be a mess. Put that in. What about that silicone oven glove? You know, those things are always covered with grease and dirt. Don't bother trying to hand clean them. Throw it in the dishwasher. And last but not least, even larger toys like this can go on the bottom rack of the dishwasher. When they come out, they're going to be clean and they're going to be sanitized. Now, I want to explain just a couple of quick things to you first. Let's push this back in. Now, first of all, we're not going to use dishwasher detergent because that many times contains bleach. We don't want to bleach things out. We just want to clean them. So we're going to use 20 mule team borax. Now, where do you find 20 mule team borax? It's usually on the top shelf at the grocery stores, the big box stores, everywhere like that. It's a laundry additive. It's 100% natural, and it works great. So we're just going to fill our cup with that. So just go ahead and shake it into the cup. And you know what? You can use borax for all kinds of things. Now, one thing before I go, I want to just show you. Let's say everything's done. Now you've run the dishwasher through the wash cycle. Do not take it to the dry cycle. Make sure it shuts off before that. Now, you want to clean your hats. So let me grab this jar and I want to just show you what to do. When you take them out, they're going to be wet. You're going to want to shape them. So take that brim, because you know how fussy you are about the brim, and your husband will be too. Give it a bend where it needs to. Make sure they're shaped well. Sit it down, sit it out of the sun, and just let it sit there and dry until it's nice and dry. Doing it in the dishwasher will even clean up that sweatband and keep it looking great. It takes the odor away too. So leave this in, let it dry. When you're done, pull it out, put it away. And I bet you've got a million ideas of things you can put in the dishwasher. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.